If the sun exploded right now, the truth is, we wouldn't even see it coming. Here's why. Our sun is the heart of our solar system. It powers Earth's climate, lights our skies, grows our food, and controls the orbit of every planet. But what if, just imagine for a moment, the sun exploded? Movies often show fiery shock waves vaporizing worlds. But reality, based on astrophysics, tells a very different and far more chilling story. Let's explore what truly would happen, how much time we'd have, and whether such an event is even possible in our sun's future. Can the sun even explode? The short answer is no, not the way Hollywood shows it. A star goes supernova only if it's massive, at least 8 times bigger than our sun. Our sun is a G-type main sequence star, far too small to explode. Instead, in about 5 billion years, it will expand into a red giant, shed its outer layers, and shrink into a white dwarf, a quiet and slow death, not a violent explosion. But let's imagine a hypothetical scenario where the sun did explode. What would happen to Earth and the rest of our solar system? If the sun exploded this instant, we wouldn't know it for 8 minutes. Everything we see and feel from the sun travels at the speed of light. That includes sunlight, heat, and gravitational influence. If the sun exploded right now, Earth would continue as normal, bright daylight, warm temperatures, stable orbit, for exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds. That delay is one of the most chilling facts scientists often highlight. When the light finally reaches us, it wouldn't look like a fiery explosion at first. It would be a blinding flash, brighter than anything in the sky. The upper atmosphere would heat instantly, and radiation levels would spike beyond survival levels. No shelter or technology on Earth could protect us from the blast of gamma rays, high-energy particles, and intense radiation from a supernova-level event. After the explosion's light and radiation pass, darkness begins. Earth would lose its heat source. Within a week, planet-wide temperatures fall below freezing. Oceans begin to form a sheet of ice from the top down. Plants die first, then animals, then humans. Within a few months, Earth becomes a frozen world drifting through space. The sun holds our planets in a perfect gravitational balance. If it disappeared, Earth would instantly fly straight into space, no longer in orbit. The moon would spiral unpredictably, other planets would scatter like beads without a string. Our solar system would collapse into cosmic chaos. A true supernova releases unimaginable energy. It can outshine an entire galaxy for weeks. It sends shock waves powerful enough to rip nearby planets apart. Radiation destroys anything within tens of trillions of miles. In short, nothing in our solar system would survive. So are we safe? Completely. Here's the comforting truth. The sun cannot and will not explode. It doesn't have the mass, it doesn't have the fuel, it doesn't have the structure. Instead, in 5 billion years, it will slowly swell into a red giant. It will engulf Mercury and Venus, and maybe Earth. It will shed its outer layers gently. It will become a white dwarf, surrounded by a glowing cloud called a planetary nebula. This is a quiet ending, not an explosion. The real threat isn't an explosion, it's time. The sun is stable now. Scientists observe it constantly. We understand its life cycle well. There is zero chance of it exploding in our lifetimes, our children's lifetimes, or even in the next millions of years. The sun is the safest major object in our cosmic neighborhood. Why this topic still fascinates us? Because imagining the sun exploding forces us to think about how fragile life is, how dependent Earth is on one star, how small we are in the universe, and how cosmic events shape everything. It's a reminder that even the things that feel eternal, like the sun, have lifetimes. The sun exploding is pure science fiction, but the science behind that fiction is fascinating. It reveals the beauty, danger, and mystery of the universe, and it proves one thing: life on Earth is possible because of a delicate cosmic balance, one that won't be disrupted for billions of years. Tell me in the comments, what other space mysteries should I explain next?